Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an aspect raster in ArcGIS Pro. So now let's get started. So an aspect raster is a GIS-derived terrain layer that represents the compass direction as the slope faces, essentially the orientation of the land surface. It is calculated from the DEM data, which is digital elevation model, by analyzing the steepest downhill direction from each pixel to its neighbor. So the output is typically measured in degree clockwise from true north, that is from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. So the 0 degree or 360 degree, which is north facing, and followed by the 90 degree, which is east facing, and 180 degree, which is south facing, and 270 is a west facing. So it can also be reclassified into simplified cardinals or ordinals categories. So why the aspect raster is important? So aspect is a critical environmental control because it governs the solar radiation exposure. So especially the south-facing slopes in northern hemisphere receives more sunlight and making them warmer and drier. And hydrologically, it influences evapotranspiration, and soil moisture distribution and groundwater recharge. And if you come towards the wildfire behavior, the south-facing slopes tends to have a drier fuel and a higher fire risk. And in case of landslide susceptibility, it is combined with the slope. It affects the soil stability and erosional platform. And obviously, the vegetation distribution, the different species thrives on different aspects due to the moisture and temperature variations. So now let us take a look at how this aspect raster works. So the tool identifies the direction of downslope faces. So it is usually measured in clockwise degrees from 0 degrees to 360 degree, coming a full circle. And flat areas have no downslope direction or given a value of -1. So here, this is the aspect direction. This is how it shows the direction here, starting with north, south, east, and west. North is 0 degree, and east is 90 degree, and 180 is south, and 270 is west. So this is an image showing an input elevation data and output aspect raster. So will be our input elevation raster, and this is the output aspect raster. So each of this color which represents the different directions here. For example, so this specific color which indicates the flat area, and in case of this pink color which indicates the northwest, and last the red color which indicates the north here. So we can able to see the directions. So now let me get back to ArcGIS Pro. So the first step is we required a DEM data, so which can be downloaded from the USGS Earth Explorer, and the link will be given in the description. So how to download a DEM from the official website called USGS Earth Explorer. And in the content section, we have our DEM data here. So we're gonna zoom out and you can able to see the full extent of the DEM data. So in the first step is we're gonna navigate to this option called View here. I'm gonna click this option, and in that I'm gonna select this option called Geoprocessing. So once you click this option, a window will pop up called Geoprocessing here, and in that I'm gonna search by an raster the name of this tool called Aspect. So make sure that you click the second result here, Aspect Spatial Analysis tool. So I'm gonna click this, and here the input raster. So before that, let us go through the description about this particular tool here. So make sure to navigate to this option and click this option. And this is an aspect spatial analysis tool. So you can go through the details about this raster. And then the first step is in the input raster. So in the parameters section in the input raster, you're going to select the DEM data. And followed by, make sure you select your output file location. So where you could like to want to save this particular file. So I'm going to click this option called Browse, and I'm going to navigate to my suitable folder location. I'm going to click this option called Browse. So now I have navigated to my output folder location. So here I'm going to save this particular raster here. For example, I'm going to give it a folder name, and I'm going to give it as a shape file, or you can also give it as a raster. Let me give it as a raster here. And inside, I'm going to save this as an aspect.tif, which is a file format. Or simply, I'm going to select this folder and I'm going to click OK. So once you are inside the folder, make sure that you are inside the folder and click OK. So let me go out here and I'm going to select this particular one and I'm going to click OK. So we're going to get back here. I'm going to select this and click open. So once in this folder location, and make sure that you enter the name and click OK. And the next step is the method here. So we have the two different methods here. So the first method is the planar. So calculation will be performed on the projected flat plane using 2D Cartesian coordinate system. So this is default. And the next method is geodesic. So the calculation will be performed in 3D Cartesian coordinate system by considering the shape of the Earth as an ellipsoid. So in our case, make sure that you select the planar method and the target device for analysis. So I'm going to use GPU, then CPU. So I'm going to leave it as a default. And I'm going to click this option called run. And let us wait for the result. And we have our aspect raster here. So we can able to see that. So now we have generated our aspect raster. So now we managed to generate our aspect raster here. So we're going to take a look at this aspect raster here. So the flat areas are indicated in this color, and the north directions are indicated in red color. And the pink, which states the northwest. So all the pink area which indicates the northwest, and yellow areas which indicates the east here. Suppose let me show you that. I want to extract. I'm gonna show you that. Suppose if I want to extract this set of aspect directions here, for example, from 135 to 270, I want to extract all those directions here from the aspect raster. So how to do that? So now I'm going to show you that. So here, the next is kind of an important. It is an important step where you can understand how to extract the required data from an aspect raster. For example, I'm going to specify as a raster calculator. So right now, I'm going to select this per second option, raster calculator, spatial analysis tool. And in that, right now we have two raster. One is aspect.tif and followed by another is DEM. So here I'm going to double click aspect.tif. And here I'm going to give it a condition where it satisfies, we can extract all this aspect directions from starting from 135 to 270. So I'm going to give it a conditions like the aspect raster. So here, which are going to stay greater than, for example, 135, and followed by, I'm going to give it a condition here, and again, I'm going to double click aspect raster, and here, I'm going to give it another condition. So instead of here greater than, I'm going to give it a lesser than symbol. So I'm going to give this option called lesser than symbol. Let me make it a bit more here. I can visualize it. And followed by, I'm going to specify 270 here, and this is our condition. So it's going to extract all those directions here, and the last step is we're going to add some so let me wait for this. I'm going to add here, and I'm going to close it here, and choose the output file location. For example, navigate your suitable folder location where you would like to save this result. So I'm going to click this option called browse. So here I'm going to give it the name of this particular raster, like aspect. So it covers both south and west. So I'm going to give it as a southwest .tif, and I'm going to click OK. And let us run this and let us visualize. So it gave us some result here, some errors here. So let me check those errors. So here I'll give it an extra space here. Let me run this back again, and it gave us similar error. So here I made a mistake here. So I should have closed after 135 here. So let me rectify this particular one here, and let me run this again, and now it's run. So now it gave us a result. So it gave us a results here. So showing all the southwest aspects here. You can able to view that all the red ones. So it basically gave us all the spots which faces the southwest direction. So that's how you can extract the data using raster calculator. So in this video, I have shown you how to create an aspect raster in ArcGIS Pro. So thanks for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel and give us a like.